super critical that we all sort of understand sort of in the broad world of technology. All of these building systems are moving down this path where they're all getting smarter and more connected, and they all need to be connected to the internet. They need an IP address. In the old days, the way that property owners and operators looked at it was each one of these systems was their own silo. So they would address the BMS separately, they would address security cameras separately, they would address access control, and all of these silos all have network infrastructure needs that can become very complicated and costly to maintain independently. So one of the biggest advantages of a converged network is really cost savings. So you've got lower capex when you're leveraging existing infrastructure, and on the Opex side, we can get rid of a lot of those, those DSL lines or cable modems that were installed and are littered throughout your buildings, the bills of which people are trying to figure out which ones to pay, and all of that can go away by having a managed network that's done professionally so that you know where everything is located and you can lower your costs. And that's really critical for a lot of our clients because commercial real estate lowering operating costs is critical to the success of the asset.